What's going on, guys? We got another YouTube video. In this one, we got a straight banger. I completely popped off with the Gallo shotgun. In my opinion, this is the best shotgun in Warzone right now. The R9 got nerfed to the dirt. I'm talking about dirt. I'm talking about graveyard dirt. Put it in the ground and put a shovel with dirt over it. It's done. D-O-N-E. It's chalked. But the Gallo, this thing packs a punch and its fire rate is insane. It shoots so fast and I love it. In today's video, we're going to run trios with Hector and Zamoy. We completely popped off. We wiped the whole lobby and it was nothing but fun and great times, man. Guys, don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment, and tell a buddy. Guys, leave a like on a video, like right now. Pause the screen, leave a like, tell a buddy, send them the link, man. I'm telling you, like, send them a link, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next. Whether it be a gun, whether it be a challenge, you guys let me know. And while I'm here, I gotta let you know that I started a vlog channel. Yeah, I started a vlog channel. I got a camera the other day. I said, you know what? Why not start vlogging? So I'm going to leave the link to the channel of my vlogs in the description. You guys got to go there ASAP. If you guys like my content, I promise you, you will love the vlogs. It's nothing but fun, nothing but joy, man. One more time, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and tell a buddy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It literally is on the bottom. Where? They're throwing hellies.
Oh,
They're throwing hellies.
Yeah. Let me do it. Oh my god, it's fucking making me go. Oh.
You ate that?
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
You really ate that, for real.
Bro, I didn't do a single lick of damage to him. I'm crying.
Why'd you have the car?
Get the quad.
Oh, bitch, they shot me.
Hit
And then they
Hit you with the heli, it's just still moving.
Just do it.
You really think that shit like fucking super heavy duty? You got hit by a heli and I was getting shot at for 2 minutes. That shit not taking that.
That's that military grade.
You think I got an armored?
That's not military. That's
Fucking armored Hummer and shit? No, that's a shitty ass Jeep.
That shit barely run on its own. Let alone it.
Fucking C4. I fucking weak, kinda weak. Hey, let's get together.
Where's Hector at?
Hector.
Hector's roof. Wanna go up? Let's go up.
I'm roof. Oh shit, another guy on me! Oh my god.
My
Look,
God.
good.
Another one.
Good.
Down there.
Yep. I'm coming around the back, like.
He might have had. Oh! What
I got
the
a proper.
hell?
Might go top window.
It's
First
the
one was a
lobby.
pistol. And the other one had an RPD.
The more
Caught me
pay
off
premium
guard,
for
no
that.
shield.
For that router. That router's
Yeah.
on premium.
Changes fucking location to anywhere in the world.
We in Asia right now. They know. They think we in Asia right now.
I'm in Argentina service.
We have money, dude. Let's go. I haven't seen a trophy yet, though.
Starting to realize why the most KD went up so much.
In the past couple of days. Is it Daddy right here?
Wonder he passed me so much. And with hackers, they taught him how to do it. Cause he be playing with hackers.
I played a hacker one time.
He said, let's get that out of the way. We know he plays with hackers.
No,
No, he plays with
He's
him.
admitted to it. He said, we know.
Hey, I'll admit, I played with him one time.
Caught him in 4K, Hector? Caught him in 4K?
Right here, trophy.
I played with him one time for a couple months. Every time we start losing, me and Aaron, he'd be like, I'm about to play with my other squad. Like, play with straight hackers, win every game. Like, straight have fun. So. Never lose with them. He's like, when I play with my other guys, we always win. Bitch, you gotta hack.
He said, y'all suck. Well, can't compete with a hacker. Fuck.
It's something I don't got. It's called hack.
It's the way to roll, man.
Orange marker second.
There's so many.
Oh, go right side. Yeah.
Get us in, get us in.
Oh, and this ghosted in the house. There he got ghosted. DMR.
Down him.
Try to get him. I'll get him. Careful, Hector.
I'm being careful.
Above us.
Yeah, let's push this guy right here.
He's pushing me right now.
Coming in. Weak as fuck.
We got recon.
Oh, another
Down
one.
him.
I got him. I got him. I'm going to the other side.
I can't get in this building. They're all up top, right?
Yeah, I'm coming up on the side.
Knocked one.
Nice.
Coming up on their side. I'm coming up
One
on their
shot.
side.
T4 or something.
Gotta push them. They're suffering.
yeah,
They're
native.
raising. They're raising right now. They're raising right now. Raising right now. I hear them.
Got him. Got him.
Nice.
On me. One shot. One shot. Flopping. Oh my god. Of course there's another guy, man.
Down.
Right under you guys.
Yeah, no,
Fuck.
He's a solo, bro. He came up after we finished fighting.
Did I kill him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead.
Bro, can't look like Hector.
He's not even streaming.
Let's go. Quad coming. Hey, fry this.
I need recon on my position.
He's flying back in.
Hold him. Down one. No way.
Down another one. Last
He
guy.
got out?
Nice. He's about to drive away. He's driving away, probably.
No, he stayed.
One more,
He's
right?
resing.
W. Guys here.
I'm gonna
Good
grab
beans.
this money, Hector. Come right now. They have a loadout here still.
Care about a UAV or something.
Hop out whenever. He's going
Okay,
up.
other side, other side. I'm with you, Hector. Oh shit, the boy's fighting.
Down
You
one.
good? You chilling?
Yeah, that one.
You guys are a bounty.
Hold on. Landing on me.
One shot, corner.
Down. Good call. Wants to be above
On top,
me
on top, on top.
Above me,
Yeah,
above
he's
me,
right
above
above me.
me.
Right above me.
Hit him a little bit.
Let me know if y'all got him weak.
No. Not weak. Full. I'm gonna go to the other side, Hector. I'm gonna zip line. Beat or no? Oh no, you
I mean,
guys.
he's up on top of me.
He's.
Jump. Chill left.
Wait.
One shot.
Hey, he's one shot. It's fuck. He's probably just gonna
Got him.
Nice.
Woo.
Got him.
We can get go to.
What you got?
Grab this bounty.
There's about 2 UAVs.
Up top right here, Rick. Armor off. I don't know if I should push that though. They gotta come out.
No.
No, don't push it. Don't push it.
Lose him one.
Mark the target.
They had a different angle.
No, he's fucking weak. There's both of. I got
There's
my kill.
2 teams fighting.
Actually, I didn't get my.
Live.
Oh, where's the?
I got the full.
Bro, there's two more,
I
there's
seen
two
one
more.
right here.
Watch out,
There's more.
I can't see him.
I tagged him 3
I can't
times.
see
I'm
him.
about to call UAV pretty soon. I feel like they're gonna go far left. If they're smart.
Yeah, just
I'm
watch
watching
the
this
left,
side
watch the
though.
left.
I'm watching here.
I got left push. I'm in the
Don't worry.
woods.
I
Here's.
need recon on my position.
Yeah, try not to peek
One
him.
guy.
one.
Oh my gosh. He's
I
dead,
see him.
bro.
Armor.
That's y'all.
Try to get closer.
Two.
Down.
Let's go. Good
Nice.
stuff, y'all. Let's go. Keep it up. Got the car
Got that
here?
car right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the trophy on it.
I'll get it.
I'll hop on
Two
the
are
truck with
ghosted. I'm
Sonny.
crying. There I come.
I'd have been sick if I'd have ran over there and there's two fucking ghosted.
UAV? Yeah. They're all
Where I
up
got
there.
sniped from.
Bro, I literally backed into the fucking corner with him. Oh my god. He's so fucking lucky. And he was a bullet. That's insane.
I'm second floor Hector.
Teammates are sent to the gulag. They'll
Yeah.
fight for a chance to redeploy.
Oh my god. So fucking waited.
Down one. One shot at the very bottom.
AX50? The fuck is this?
One jumped.
Gas is moving in. Safe zone located.
Last one Hector. Downstairs. First floor. Yeah.
One shot.
back.
Push it.
You kill him or no?
One more.
Good at me. I think it's the last one. I'm finishing you.
You're toxic.
They were speaking Spanish, heard it.
Bro, we picked that team apart. Jesus. Oh my
I know.
god. Alright.
They're lost.
Truck coming from neighborhood. I'm out of fright.
Yeah, it's a whole team. They have snipers and shit.
In the back,
I'm gonna get in front of them.
whole team. I'm up one.
Knock one.
Nice.
I'm chasing him.
You're fine.
By yourself,
I
by
got
yourself.
you.
We don't got a car, so we can't do nothing.
I'm chasing him now.
Is there a car
Oh shit,
here
there's a
somewhere?
sniper and shit coming right here.
I'm gonna plates.
We can snipe to our
Wait.
left?
One shot! Last guy! Oh, I killed him. Oh, the other team's gonna kill me though.
I'm running. Oh,
Killed the
Where
other
are
team. No.
I'm gonna buy you back.
Try to res me. Just go res me.
Yeah.
It's the whole team on that mountain by that one.
We're
Another
getting
truck
sniped at
coming?
from somewhere. I don't know where at though. Be far, bro. There's no way.
He might have went down.
Oh,
the
by me!
hill. Coming.
Oh snap! Oh my gosh. That's somebody else. That's somebody else. That's a teammate.
Stay up.
37 meters to the right. Like right here.
Let us move in.
Got him.
That's them. Shit.
What kind of guns did he have?
He had ground loot.
Oh, he had a Mac 10. Nice.
Nice.
I'm driving to the bottom.
Alright.
Pop out whenever. Right here. Where you going? Nice.
Shooting at me.
He's up.
Above me. Looking at me.
Yeah.
Let's go up.
Oh,
Go.
DMR.
UAV is bingo fuel.
Come up with this.
He jumped, I think. One did.
No, he didn't. 23 meters. He's looking.
Careful.
He jumped. He jumped like towards pool. I mean,
There's two though, right?
Yeah, he did. No, there's only one more.
towards that way.
Relocating.
He's in the house, bro. 1000%. Where'd he go?
You have him a heartbeat or no?
Nah, I don't.
He should be, right?
Yeah. Hop in.
Let's go.
It's a lie.
He just res. Knock that guy.
Everybody, you tripping.
In here.
Got him. I'm plating up.
In the house across from us, you see it?
He just res too. Cause he might be coming.
Yeah, why does this man have a 40-round mag on him? What the fuck
Hector,
is
wanna
that?
scoop? Yeah, come on. Go.
Hey, on me. Look.
Loading up. Finish the fight.
Right here.
Yeah,
Right here.
Get to the new
Watch
safe
this.
zone. Head for
I'm
target
looking.
location.
They're in there.
I'm gonna get check.
Yeah.
To my right. Guy's in the house.
Actually, no. Just go. I don't want to hop in the truck and get sniped at the back.
Alright. Got it, you're right. Hector, push. I got you. Come on.
Oh shit. Go.
Stay in.
Let me lay down. Oh.
Get out. Team in front of us,
I got
Hector.
from orange.
Yeah.
Watch the team in the house. Right? Behind you. Watch behind you. In the house.
Smoke
You're
up behind
sniping.
here.
We need to hold the guys in the open.
In the green, right?
Yeah, we gotta hold them.
I think it's at least one, probably two. Cause I only
Isn't
killed
there
one from
money
that
somewhere?
team.
Precision it?
I don't know
Yeah.
where they're at.
He's right here by the rock. At this rock. Right here.
We're in the safe zone.
Alright.
Literally right there.
I got right push.
Isn't that?
Is there only one or? I'm precision it.
It's only one.
I think it's only one.
Be advised. Friendly precision airstrike.
Running? Dead.
Nice. Get that cash. I'll get it.
Guys to our left though.
What should I get?
In the house.
I mean, I'm gonna get a precision. I'm gonna drop you the rest. Here.
Two. I forgot y'all had DMRs.
I think they're in here. I think I hear them in here. I don't know.
Right there.
No.
Window.
Relocating.
Brown. Or brick house.
Mate.
Never mind. Disregard that.
I think there's one, bro.
Just ran to the left. I think it might be one. You wanna flat it, low key?
I got a UAV.
Window. Yeah,
I'm
sniper.
driving. Look how many are up here.
No armor. Go. Fuck.
Run at him. I'm gonna distract him.
It's only one. Yeah. I got window jump. W.
Where is this? Right here.
Head for
We
target
have the.
location.
I mean.
We need to stay low, stay low.
Here's the question.
Let's go
Stay
house.
low,
Let's
stay
go
Yeah, I think we
Yeah.
stay. I think we
Let's
stay
go house.
out here.
Yeah, let's go back to the house. I'm beating him.
Left wing. Somebody give me.
Get him. I'm watching cross.
Yeah.
You're good. Sit
He's
tight.
pushing close. He's gonna get close.
Yep, right here.
65, you're not moving?
At the tree.
Challenging that. One shot.
Resin. Flash.
One shot. At the tree. I got self. Play you. Q-tap or no?
Get in the building. No, just do it.
Alright.
I have a different guy. They're still with me.
It's still there.
Oh, one shot. One of them's one
Oh,
shot.
watch
There's
it,
two.
watch it. Pussy.
Single shooter.
Pussy.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
What's snapping at me?
He's probably gonna
There's
watch
two
through the
there.
window.
There's two there.
Yeah.
They're not good, bro. They're not good.
Just hold this building.
Yeah,
Just
they're
hold
not
this building.
good. They're not good. I'm about to drop you.
So 3v2v2.
Knocked one. Focus.
Okay, I'm coming out the
Knocked
back.
one.
Where?
Right there. No.
Okay.
Oh my god. One shot. Absolute.
One shot. He's dead.
He sniped me. I need res more. Oh my gosh.
He's down. I'm coming.
I'll res.
Good stuff, my boy.
Oh shit, I got it.
Back in the fight.
You got both of them?
No. He just sniped me. Right here.
Marking target location.
You got both of
I
them?
think one's
Hector?
in here.
No.
Yeah, I got both of them.
Alright.
There's two more.
On the right here on the loadout.
Eyes on shooter.
Down, dead. One more.
Oh shit.
Where's he
Wait,
at?
this
Where's he
guy might
at?
be ghosted somewhere. Only one.
We're chilling though.
He's not behind us. He has to be in front.
I'm getting in this truck. I'm gonna bait him
I'm
out.
not.
Don't even get in it. Don't get in it. Yeah. Cause if they beam it,
He's laying down somewhere. He has to be. Right
On me.
here, on the wall.
Yes.
go,
Oh,
baby.
come on, baby. What are you talking about,
I knew it
dude?
was coming. I had to come. We're getting too close every time.
Oh my god. How many was that, yo? 13, 14, 14? 28?
Nice.
28. What's up? Shit, I can't even do math right now.
41.
41?
41.
Hell yeah. Oh, we were flying.
Let's go.
We played that perfectly. Good shit, y'all.
Yeah.
Damn.